Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Audi RS Q8. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Not seeing any dents or scratches nowhere on this SUV, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. The driver's side looks good. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Here looks fine as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Let's start off with the center console. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's move on to the steering wheel. Perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong on the steering wheel. Okay, so the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.